So what is this stuff anyways? You might be thinking, who's this weirdo girl telling me to massage my kale? But I'm telling you, it makes a total difference. Kale is really healthy, and if you've had it before, you might have noticed that everywhere you have it, it tastes a little bit different. I personally never liked kale until I went to this one restaurant down the street from us, and it was really chopped up super thin. But the problem was I couldn't figure out how they got it to look this dark green texture. So thin, so tender, so delicious. I'm gonna show you how. If you guys aren't eating your kale like this, you're doing it wrong. You might be thinking, hey, why should I even eat kale? Well, it's anti-inflammatory, it's super healthy for you, and it's full of vitamins A and C. So a really easy way to do this and get the stalks off is just to take it and pull it like this. It pulls off really easily. And then you're left with just all this yummy goodness. Whoop, flying kale. Now we're just gonna run our knife through this. I really like to do it quite a few times because I like mine really thin. If you see any stalks in there or stems, you can just pull them out. I like just leafy greens. Okay, now I'm gonna transfer our kale into a large bowl. The bigger the better here. Okay, now we're gonna add in a few tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm pretty generous with my olive oil. I probably do about 3 tablespoons. Half of a lemon, just the juice. We're also gonna add in about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so now it's time for the magic to happen. We are just gonna get in there and start massaging it. This is gonna tenderize the kale. If you've ever had just kale plain, it's actually like really fibrous and not very tasty. See how this is it's getting greener? I mean, I know there's olive oil on it, but it's just, it really transforms it. The massage is where it's at. So I hope that after you try this, you won't think I'm a weirdo anymore, and that maybe you'll try some more of my recipes. This one's really good. This goes great. Personally, I love just, if I have kale like this, I'll put some breadcrumbs in here, some Parmesan cheese, red pepper flakes, and it makes like a whole salad for me. I don't need anything else on it. But it's also really good with, you could top it with chicken. You can put anything. It's just like lettuce. You can put anything you want on this. And then this will stay good in the fridge for a couple days. But just look at this. Look at how different the texture is. I'm gonna eat mine for lunch today. And I would just do this for a few minutes. This is such an easy way to improve your kale. Let me know if you try it. I'd love to know if it changes your mind on how delicious it is. So good, nice and tender. Mine needs some Parmesan cheese and some red pepper flakes, but really, really delicious. Try this at home and let me know how it goes. Thanks so much, and be sure to subscribe for lots of more easy recipes and tips.